how can we get quickly the emails here, or at least specifically the domains? Well, this is something that's built in Google Spreadsheet. So let's start to look. Well, first of all, we're going to put in here, and as you can see here, as I put in the email in here, or the domain name, automatically everything is being recognized. So if I click on this, you can see here we get a flash fill. Instantly it fills up all. But what is very interesting here is when I click on this, you'll see here the exact formula, where it starts and it knows after the @ symbol, it will start to grab the entire email or the domain name. We could do the same logic, but then at the very first. So for example, I'm going to put in here John, enter, and right now it doesn't understand exactly what I want to do, so I just keep on putting in here the items until it starts to recognize the pattern. Same story here, smart fill, check mark, and as you can see here now, it will grab you everything from the left until we hit the @ symbol, and from that moment on it will stop copying.